Hey everyone, in this video we will look at bookmarks in the Power BI service. So we will learn to create personal bookmarks. Let's start. So I'm already logged into the Power BI service and I'll go to my workspace called Learn to Excel and we'll open one of the reports. So we'll open my report. So a personal bookmark is essentially like when you create a bookmark and it's only available to you, but it's not available to all the other people who are using that specific report. So for example, I've got this, so let me just reset it to default first. Just put it onto a default view. And you can see I've got this page here. And let's say I just want to filter for data for United States. So I can select US. And you can see it's filtered the data out, and maybe I can also change the data. So maybe I just want to look at 2014 data. So I'll just go ahead and hit 2014 and hit enter again. And you can see that it's showing me a subset of the data. And now I can say, because I just want to look at 2014 data, I can set a bookmark. So in the reading view, I'm already at the moment in the reading view. I go to this bookmark pane and I click on this drop down and I can click up add a personal bookmark. And I can say US sales 2014, and I can make it as a default view. So every time I log into the report, it will show this to me as the default view, and then I can clear this filters, the bookmark. So I'll just make this as the default view and I'll click save. So what essentially happens is that if I reopen this report, I'll get this view. Let's do this. So we'll go to the Learn to Excel workspace. And I'll go to my reports and I'll open my report. And you can see it's showing me 2014 data by default. And you can see the US 2014 is highlighted. So I can click on reset to default and it'll get rid of all the filters I've got. And now what I can do is I have this one here, so I can go and update it, so it'll reflect this new change that is all the data for all the time. And I can clear the defaults, so that's already done. I can update this filter, so we were talking about it. If I update it now, it will contain all the data for all the countries for all the time. I can rename this filter and I can delete this. I can rename this bookmark, or I can delete this bookmark as well. So that's one way. Now we can also go into edit mode and we can look at the bookmarks, but going into the edit mode does give us the option to look at the report bookmarks as well as personal bookmarks. And how you can view it is, once you are in the edit mode, you go to the view drop down and you click on bookmark pane. So you click that and you can immediately see that it is showing you personal bookmarks. And I can see US 2014. If I had more, I would probably be able to see them. And if I click on report bookmarks, I don't actually have a report bookmark at the moment. So essentially in this video, we've looked at personal bookmarks and creating a default personal bookmark, which basically when you open a report, it shows you a default view with all the selected slicers and the filters. And then we have bookmark view, which is available to all the people in the organization, while a personal bookmark is only available to the person who's created that specific bookmark. It's a fairly useful feature, and in case you want to look at a specific setting, or you just want to see the current year's data or some specific year's data, or you want to see some specific country's data. That is the country. Maybe you would just want to look at the sales for America, so you could probably filter on that. Interesting concept. I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do like my videos and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy what I'm doing. Do let me know if you would like me to take any specific topics up. Cheers, bye.